Hello, and welcome to this lesson on the toxic nature of carbon monoxide. In today's lesson, we will understand the toxic nature of carbon monoxide. Then we will explore the properties of carbon monoxide, specifically noting that it is colourless and odourless. Finally, we will discuss the challenges associated with detecting carbon monoxide. So far, we've discussed the concept of carbon footprint and the measures to reduce it. You are also familiar with how the combustion of fuels is a major source of atmospheric pollutants. Building on this foundation, today's lesson will enhance our understanding of one specific pollutant, carbon monoxide, and show how its properties and detection challenges make it particularly hazardous. By delving into these aspects, we'll advance our chemical knowledge of the atmosphere and the pollutants within it. Carbon monoxide, CO, is a highly toxic gas that can be lethal if present in high concentrations. One of the primary ways it is produced is through the incomplete combustion of carbon-containing fuels. This incomplete combustion can occur in many common scenarios, such as in vehicles, gas appliances, and open fires. The word equation for the incomplete combustion of ethane is ethane plus oxygen goes to carbon monoxide and water, and the balance symbol equation is shown here. Now, let's explore why carbon monoxide is so dangerous. Once inhaled, carbon monoxide enters the bloodstream and binds to haemoglobin, the molecule in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen. Haemoglobin has a very high affinity for carbon monoxide, about 200 times greater than its affinity for oxygen. This means it bonds much more tightly to CO than oxygen. When this happens, it forms a compound called carboxyhemoglobin. This process significantly reduces the blood's ability to carry oxygen to vital organs such as the heart and brain. As a result, organs and tissues are deprived of the oxygen they need to function properly, leading to symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness and death. Next, let's consider the properties of carbon monoxide that make it so challenging to detect. Unlike many other gases, carbon monoxide is colourless, meaning you cannot see it. Additionally, it has no odour, making it impossible to smell. It also lacks any taste, so it cannot be detected by human senses. Because of these properties, carbon monoxide can easily go unnoticed until individuals begin to exhibit symptoms of poisoning. In today's lesson, we delved into the toxic nature of carbon monoxide, CO, focusing on its properties and the challenges associated with its detection. We learned that carbon monoxide is produced through the incomplete combustion of carbon-containing fuels, such as in vehicles and gas appliances. CO is highly toxic because it binds to haemoglobin in the blood with a much higher affinity than oxygen. We also explored the properties of carbon monoxide that make it particularly challenging to detect. It is colourless, odourless, and tasteless. This undetectability means that individuals can be exposed to CO without realizing it until symptoms of poisoning appear. Watch the rest of the GCSE chemistry course at Sophos Education.